Pertemuan Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve kembali berakhir tanpa kenaikan suku bunga acuan. Tapi The Fed mengisyaratkan satu lagi kenaikan suku bunga sebelum pergantian tahun bila diperlukan.
We decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue to reduce our securities holdings. Looking ahead, we are in a position to proceed carefully.
Sejak Maret 2022, The Fed telah menaikkan suku bunga 11 kali guna meredam laju inflasi. Meski inflasi di AS telah melemah dibandingkan puncaknya pada Juni 2022, laju inflasi masih melebihi target Bank Sentral.
Inflation remains well above our longer run goal of 2%. Based on the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and other data, we estimate that total PCE prices rose 3.4% over the 12 months ending in August, and that excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 3.9%.
Keputusan The Fed sudah sesuai ekspektasi pelaku usaha dan investor.
We saw the market pull back ever so slightly after the Fed release, really telling us that this was fully expected and there was nothing new in the original release. Even in the bond market, we saw very little response. The bond market has already adjusted to expecting one more hike this year. I would say the Fed statement caught up a little bit with reality. As investment strategists like ourselves and economists have been saying all summer, there's more strength out there than the Fed has acknowledged. They updated their view of growth in the economy from what before was a moderate pace to now they're using the language solid pace.
Yang membuat cemas pelaku usaha dan pelaku pasar adalah meningkatnya kembali inflasi 2 bulan berturut-turut. Lonjakan harga bensin berada di balik kenaikan kali ini.
The inflation fight is not over. It's still higher than they want it to be, and that they want to make sure that when it goes down, it stays down. One of his favorite things to say is that if we don't get inflation right, we aren't going to get anything right. It's the most important thing. But of course, rates now are also very high, and there are issues with how the economy is going to react over the longer term with rates at those levels and interest costs at those levels.
Bank Sentral AS kembali bertemu pada pergantian Oktober ke November, lalu terakhir untuk 2023 pada pertengahan Desember. Pesan dari Bank Sentral AS dalam kaitan kebijakan suku bunga acuan ini adalah higher for longer, alias mempertahankan dalam kisaran setinggi ini untuk waktu yang lebih lama dari perkiraan semula. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.